2020 has been a weird year for all of us. And if you're the type of person watching this video, you're probably the same type of person that can't wait to start travelling again. So you've probably got some trips planned in 2021. Spain, Portugal, Australia, maybe even France. But there's so much more to the world. So today, I'm going to be giving you 3 of the most underrated travel destinations for 2021. So follow this and you'll have 2021 in the palm of your hands. So my first destination on the list of underrated destinations for 2021 is Tanzania. So, why Tanzania? Tanzania is actually one of the hotspots in Africa for wildlife and safaris. And you may not know, but 38% of Tanzania is actually protected land area and it's home to 19 different national parks. I know you're probably thinking that Kenya holds the crown for best safari holiday in Africa, but let me tell you, this is definitely a close second. So Tanzania is definitely an underrated destination, only attracting about 1.5 million tourists last year. The other side to Tanzania that has become increasingly popular is Zanzibar. So Zanzibar is actually an archipelago off the coast of East Africa. The main island, Unguja, is a stone town with historic trade centres and Islamic and Swahili influences. It's also home to the rare red Columbus monkey. And one really interesting fact you probably don't know about Zanzibar is that Freddie Mercury, lead singer of Queen, was actually born here in 1946. In general, Tanzania is such a beautiful country with such an amazing history, definitely on my list for 2021. We're staying a bit more local for my next one. Of course, it's the land of haggis and skirts, Scotland. So tourism is actually a massive part of Scotland's economy, contributing almost £4 billion in 2013 and attracting 18.5 million UK visitors alone. Scotland is home to some of the most beautiful scenery and some of the most amazing waterfalls, the tallest of which actually being over 650 feet high. Scotland is also famous for the vast amount of lochs that it is home to. If you do have time when you're over in Scotland, make sure to go visit Loch Ness, see if you can find the monster. So one of the most famous destinations in Scotland is actually the Isle of Skye. The Isle of Skye is actually connected to the northwest of Scotland by a bridge. It's known for its rugged landscapes, its picturesque fishing villages, and also all of the medieval castles. So Scotland has definitely got to go down as one of my top underrated destinations for 2021. Not many people really think of it as an amazing place to go, but let me tell you, it's such a big place with so many things to do, and the people are amazing as well. So it was actually really hard to choose a third destination for this. There was a few to choose from between the amazing history of Malta, the gorgeous beaches of Albania, but definitely this one wins it for me. Croatia. So tourism isn't exactly new in Croatia, with tourism starting in the 1850s, but I do still think it's probably one of the most underrated destinations for Europe. Croatia is most famously known for its pebbled beaches and its crystal clear waters. One of the most famous tourist destinations in Croatia is the city of Dubrovnik. Dubrovnik is actually a city based in the south of Croatia and it borders on the Adriatic Sea. It's known for its unbelievably medieval look, completed with stone walls that were finished in the 16th century. It's also an extremely affordable destination in Europe, averaging less than £100 per night for a 5-star accommodation. Croatia is also home to the Zlatni Rat beach. This beach actually changes shape when the winds are strong enough. Anyway guys, that's it for my top 3 underrated travel destinations for 2021. Hopefully you did like. Please do leave a like if you did enjoy, subscribe if you want to see more, and leave a comment below letting me know what you want to see some more videos on. Until next time.